Welcome to this English learning video. Today, you will learn how to talk about your city with confidence, clarity, and ease. People often ask questions like, "Where are you from?" or "What is your city like?" When you know the right words and simple sentences, you can answer these questions without fear. In this lesson, you will explore 5 interesting chapters that show you how to describe your city, your surroundings, the places you like, and the things that make your city special. Stay with me, and you will speak naturally and proudly about your city. Chapter 1. Introducing your city. You begin by sharing the basic details of your city. When someone asks where you are from, you can answer with simple words. You can say the name of your city and where it is located. You might say, "I live in a city that is small but beautiful," or "My city is large and full of activity." You can also talk about how long you have lived there. You can say, "I have lived here since my childhood," or "I moved here a few years ago." These sentences help the listener understand your story. You can describe how your city feels to you. You might say, "I like my city because it is peaceful," or "I enjoy the friendly atmosphere." Every sentence you speak creates a picture in the listener's mind. You can also share simple facts. You can say, "My city has a main market," or "People visit a big park every evening." When you describe these things, your city becomes easier to imagine. As you practice these sentences, your confidence grows. You will notice that talking about your city becomes natural. In the next chapters, you will learn how to describe the look, feel, and special places of your city in more detail. Chapter 2. Describing the look and feel of your city. You can make your city come alive by talking about what you see and feel every day. You can start with the streets. You might say, "The streets in my city are clean," or "Some roads are busy from morning to night." These simple details help others imagine your surroundings. You can talk about the weather too. You can say, "The mornings are cool," or "The summers can become very hot." When you describe the weather, you show the daily mood of your city. You can also speak about sounds. You might say, "You can hear birds early in the morning," or "You can hear children playing in the evening." These sounds show the rhythm of your city. You can describe the environment. You can say, "My city has green parks," or "There are tall buildings in the center." Each sentence paints a clear picture. You can even talk about how the city makes you feel. You might say, "I feel calm when I walk through the old lanes," or "I feel excited when I visit the main market." When you describe the look and feel of your city, your English becomes richer and more expressive. In the next chapter, you will learn how to talk about popular places in your city. Chapter 3. Talking about popular places in your city. You can introduce your city better when you talk about the places people visit. You can start with simple sentences. You might say, "There is a large market in my city," or "My city has a beautiful lake." These sentences help the listener imagine where people go. You can talk about what people do in these places. You can say, "Families walk around the park in the evening," or "People buy fresh vegetables in the morning market." When you share activities, your description becomes lively. You can also describe places that are special to the city. You might say, "There's an old monument that attracts visitors," or "The city museum shows our history." These places make your city unique. You can mention your favorite spots too. You might say, I enjoy sitting near the riverside. Or, I love visiting the old town because it feels peaceful. Personal feelings make your sentences warm and honest. If your city has food streets or famous restaurants, you can talk about them. You can say, people enjoy snacks on the food street. Or, many visitors come for traditional dishes. When you talk about popular places, you give a clear picture of your city's character. In the next chapter, you will describe people, culture, and lifestyle. Chapter 4. People, Culture, and Lifestyle in Your City. You can help others understand your city by talking about the people who live there. You can start with simple sentences. You might say, people in my city are kind. Or, people here are hardworking. These sentences show the nature of your community. You can describe the culture too. You can say, we celebrate many festivals with joy. Or, people enjoy music, dance, and traditional events. Culture shows what brings people together. You can also talk about daily habits. You might say, people usually begin their day early. Or, families spend time together in the evening. These small details show the lifestyle in your city. You can mention the types of jobs people do. You can say, many people work in offices. Or, some people run small shops. This helps others understand the local economy. Food is also part of culture. You might say, people love street food. Or, many homes prepare traditional meals on weekends. You can even share your own feelings. You can say, I enjoy the friendly environment. Or, I feel happy when I see people celebrating together. When you talk about people, culture, and lifestyle, your city becomes warm and alive. In the next chapter, you will share what you like and dislike about your city. Chapter 5. What you like and dislike about your city. You can make your description honest and meaningful when you talk about what you like and dislike about your city. You can start with the good things. You might say, I like the peaceful mornings. Or, I enjoy the friendly people. These simple sentences show your personal connection. You can talk about your favorite activities. You can say, I love walking in the park. Or, I enjoy visiting the market on weekends. When you share your experiences, the listener understands your daily life. You can also speak about things you do not like. You might say, sometimes the traffic becomes heavy. Or the summers can feel too hot. These details make your description honest and real. You can describe moments that make you feel happy. You can say, I feel relaxed when I sit near the lake. Or, I feel excited during festivals. Your emotions help the listener feel the spirit of your city. You can even mention what you hope will improve. You might say, I hope the roads become cleaner. Or, I hope new parks are built. When you talk about what you like and dislike, you show the true picture of your city. This makes your English natural, personal, and meaningful. End. You have reached the end of this lesson. And now you can talk about your city with confidence. You can describe places, people, culture, and your own experiences in simple, clear English. Every sentence you speak brings your city to life. Keep practicing these ideas in your daily conversations. The more you speak, the more natural your English becomes. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep exploring, keep speaking, and keep growing. Your city has a story, and now you know how to share it with the world.